A skull to you. I think today is the first day in a while that I've gotten lost on a trail. This trail is supposed to be like 3 miles or something. I was like, I'll do it before I have to go do other stuff. And I maybe made it less than a mile. It follows a creek though, so I mean, going for a swim is always awesome. But I don't know where the trail is. So I'm just gonna head back. And yeah, the swim spot that I just swam at, I thought that it was like really secluded, and then after I got dressed, a Forest Service truck drove right by on the other side of the creek. I like did not scope that out well enough, but at least my clothes were already on. It's pretty obvious now that I look at it, but oh well. Today feels like a really good day despite getting lost, but it's kind of nice. I mean, I've learned in the last year or so that I like easy hikes better than I like hard hikes. So just walking around and getting out here makes me feel better, and swimming's kind of like the best part anyway for me, so it was a win-win. It's so beautiful. Even all of the flowers are kind of dying now, but they're still in bloom for a little bit longer. And I don't know, the wind feels really nice today. It's like really warm, and all the colors are really warm too. And I just feel relaxed, which I haven't felt, I don't know, in like a month, so that's good. Take the small victories and just keep going. Tire change, but make it sexy. Did you figure out where you need to put it?
Yeah, there's literally an arrow drawn. Like, they couldn't have made it simpler.
Wow, well that's nice. You know what this moment calls for? A little living, laughing, and loving. What do you think?
I was really hoping you were gonna say cupcake. I really want a cupcake.
Let's go get cupcakes today. We're about to make girl boss moves.
We're always making girl boss moves.
Boss babes. Yeah, nice. Manual lady. Okay, I'll oversee everything. Okay. Good job. Keep going. You've got this. Crank that. This one might give you good crank for the last like turn of it. You'll spin me right round, baby, right round. This is what we do for fun, right?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, baby, we done it. Woohoo! Look at that tire. What do you think? Yep.
It's a good tire.
It's a good tire. Breakfast time?
I'm hungry.
Let's go. Look at that tire. All 5 of us did that together. Whoa.
Ooh.
That's nice. No, we're farm ladies now. We don't wash our hands. These are working hands.
Very dirty. I'm about to eat breakfast.
So? It's just trail spice.
I want a leaky egg.
Yeah, I don't feel confident about them having breakfast, but welcome to Taylorsville, where the whole town is Young's Market. And cows. It's the post office, the grocery store, the one food place that you can get hot food at, and what else? That's
At
it.
least it's like
It's really
really
nice though.
good.
It's super bougie.
Yeah.
So there's that. Post office, groceries, beer, bait, wine, and hardware. They've got it all. The best part about this place, they have boilins.
ready.
Veggie burger girls. It smells so good. Cheers.
I'll give the people a close-up
They're good enough.
of your face.
Take a bite.
I almost feel human again.
Now time to set it over the edge with the panic attack milk. So right now I'm living in Taylorsville, and it's a really small town. The population's like 190 people, probably on its busiest day of the year. And I'm just staying here at the elementary school, living out of my car until the Juniper Lake Ranger Station opens up, which is where my final living place for the remainder of the summer is going to be. But since it's up at 7,000 feet, there's still snow, and the road's still really wet, and so they haven't opened it up to the public. Should be opening up at the end of May though, and we should be able to get up there next week, which is awesome. While we're in Taylorsville, we're about a 30-minute drive from the biggest town, I guess biggest city, but I would call it a town, which is Quincy. It's a really cute little town, and Martha and I have to go there today because we both like have tire problems that we have to deal with. I gotta get my tires rotated, and I gotta get new brake pads, which I had been meaning to do for over a month, but I just kind of didn't have the mental bandwidth to go do it. So I'm gonna try to do that today and finally get that checked off my to-do list while I'm relatively close to a big city. Yeah, because when we go up to Juniper Lake, there's gonna be nothing up there. Martha and I went to go get our cars inspected, and then we decided, hey, we're gonna go walk around Quincy and check out this tiny little town. And then we go adventure on the only day of the year that it's gonna rain here. Yep. So that's cool. My mom has all of those angels. Yeah. Small person. You're so tiny. Slurp, blurp. How is it? It's an IPA. Why did I ever like that? Because we thought we were supposed to like it.
I still do like that. Like
I think it tastes fine. It just kind of also tastes like floor cleaner. Delicious.
Dry hopped American blonde. Just how I like them. I kind of like that.
Tastes like cheap beer.
Yeah, I like it. You know what I've recently gotten back into that I'm really ashamed about? I wasn't even gonna tell you this.
You're really not ashamed of it.
Chef Boyardee.
Ew.
I know.
God.
I don't know what it is.
The consistency of Chef Boyardee's reminds me of when I like get the runs.
I told you I was not proud of it.
It's like diarrhea that happens to have pasta in it.
Stop.
Do your thing, babe. I will silently judge you. I won't give you shit for it to your face. But I'll be like, yeah, I don't know her.
Wow.
Only when you're eating it. When you're done eating it, I'll be like, oh yeah, I know her. I recognize her.
I thought you said you loved me.
Babe, I baked you a cake made out of Chef Boyardee's if that's what you really want. It's cute.
Touch your seat.
That's okay.
I'll chuck it for you.
Chuck it into the river.
Thank
Enjoy you guys. Yeah,
Thank you.
have fun.
I love you. Ice cream cone. That's because it's delicious. What? Big bike? Martha's new whip? Do you remember that like Adult Swim late night like 3-minute video, Too Many Cooks?
Sounds familiar, but
It was like, it takes a lot to make us do, especially when it's me and you and him and her and Steve from corporate too. Too many cooks, it's true. The saying goes, it'll spoil the broth. Honey, I think that's not true. Well, baby, too many cooks will spoil the broth. It'll fill our hearts with so much love. And then it goes like severely downhill from there. Kyle was saying that there were too many cooks in the kitchen replacing this tire. And then it reminded me of that.